can you actually make money with the Mobee app? The answer is no, but you can rack up a lot of money worth of gift cards. The biggest difference between this app and similar apps like Field Agent and Observa is this one pays in gift cards, but don't worry, they have gift cards for basically everything, stuff that you're gonna use and that you could pay your bills with and stuff like that. So you could do Target, you could do, the one that I do a lot is the Uber one, for Uber, either for Uber Eats or if we need like a ride to the airport or something. So I have a lot of money in Uber Eats gift cards, Walmart, or you could just do a Visa and then you could do any online purchase. It takes a year for it to expire. I usually cash that one out. Or Amazon, you're going to spend money on Amazon this holiday season, most likely. So that's how you could cash out. So let's see my profile. So right now I can cash out $187.75 worth of gift cards. And I have 22 missions pending. And I've done close to 400 missions. So this is what it's going to look like. You're either going to have a list view or you can do a map view. The map view is great for planning out a route, or you could do a list view. It'll show you the ones that are closest to you, and then it'll show you, or you could do most pins. And then if ones have bonuses, it'll appear up at the top. This one started at $7, but if no one does it in your area, it'll go up and up and up. So $11, this literally took 5 minutes. You just have to go into the store and ask a couple questions, take like one picture of the Meta headset. Very easy. I did a lot of these. So this one is an audit for a display. So the Meta Quest VR headset, there's going to be like an end cap, and you just have to go there, take pictures of the end cap, and answer some questions. Super easy, literally in and out of the store. 800 points, and every Walmart had this one. Costco, we have grain and freeze. This one, you're going to have to go take some pictures of rice and stuff like that. They're all super easy. They're in-store audits. If you've done Field Agent or Mobee, or in some places they have photo jobs for DoorDash, if they have that in your area, let me know in the comments. But that's what you're going to do. You're going to go take pictures. And then a lot of these will have multiple gigs at the same store. So after doing this for so long, I usually shoot to make like $25 to $30 an hour. But it's also going to depend on where you live. If you live like out in the country where there's not that many stores, you're going to make less than if you live in a major city where you could just walk. And yes, you're probably going to have to use your car, which is going to cost you some gas, which is going to eat into your profit. If you live in a city, you could take like the bus or something, but most likely you're going to drive. So make sure that your route is worth it, that you're actually making money compared to the gas that you're spending. And the best way to make sure that you're making a lot of money is the multi-app. So yes, you can make a lot with Mobee, but it's not going to be enough for a side hustle or like a part-time job. But if you combine it with Observa and Field Agent, today there was no Field Agent jobs, so I did 20 of the Mobee ones. The other day there was a bunch of Observa, so I did those. So with these 3 apps, once you learn how to do one of them, you could do all 3, and then you can make more money. And then also this app has achievements. So if you do a certain amount of gigs, like if I do 30 gigs at Target, then I could cash out $12, and I cashed out a whole lot of these. So yeah, you can make a lot of money worth of gift cards, which really comes in handy during the holiday season. And if you want to see my full tutorial on Field Agent so you can multi-app, check out this video over here and click the links down below to sign up for these amazing side hustle apps.